Hi, my name is Emma Giletti and I am one of the founders and the head of research at Back to Earth. The Living Solution is an ongoing research project managed by myself and the rest of the Back to Earth team. We are trying to determine the extent of the benefits of compost tea through many timed trials and different types of compost. Despite some research, there's been very little establishment of the requirements needed to make the optimal compost tea. So we decided to research this question in hopes of bettering the agricultural world and pushing sustainable farming practices. With our trials, we are looking for the specific characteristics needed for the best compost tea. Our trials consist of compost teas that differ in brewing time and compost concentration. We are looking for a combination of these two factors that could increase microbiodiversity the most, thus increasing plant yields. In terms of brewing time, we are testing compost teas at 1 hour brewing time, 4 hours, 12 hours, and 24 hours. Each solution is then tested on bean seeds that are placed on small plates surrounded by neutral cotton balls. We watch these seeds for many days, record any growth, and look out for the experimental group with the seeds that germinate first. This indicates to us that the microbiology in that specific solution was the most abundant and promoted the most growth. In fact, according to our recent trials, we have seen that the 12-hour compost tea with the 50% compost concentration has spurred the most plant growth. These findings will be invaluable because compost tea is a natural alternative to chemical fertilizers.